Do you want to improve your English, but you have no one to practice speaking with because maybe you live in a non-English speaking country, English language tutors are too expensive, you don't have any English speaking friends, you don't speak English at work? Of course it's difficult to practice speaking. That's why I decided to create this channel, to provide free speaking practice. You can do it at home by yourself. So in this video, you're going to practice speaking English with me. I will say white, you can say pink. Read it out loud with me. The only way to improve your speaking is to speak. So if you're ready, let's start. Two friends talking about some office drama. Did you hear what happened in the marketing department this morning? Apparently, James got caught lying. Well, Mark had asked him about something that had happened and he denied it. That's the thing, so there was an issue with one of the client campaigns. The social media ads weren't approved in time and the client was furious. Exactly. He told everyone he sent their assets to the client on Tuesday. No, turns out he actually sent them on Thursday evening, 2 days late. The client sent the email chain to Mark this morning. And in the email, of course, you can see the times. James had been lying about it all week. Well, that's when it got really uncomfortable. Apparently they had a team meeting this morning and Mark brought it up in front of everyone. Yep, he didn't even say James's name at first, just said someone's being dishonest about sending client materials. You could feel the tension. They did, but then James opened his mouth and tried to explain himself. He said there must have been a technical error. Right? And Mark was like, well, I checked the server logs. No files were uploaded until Thursday at 6:42 p.m. Yeah, James was turning red. I know, and get this, after the meeting, he stormed off, slammed the meeting room door, and everything. Not at all, but wait, it gets better. Apparently, Sarah overheard James trying to blame it all on Emily. I know, he said she was meant to remind him to send the assets. Exactly. Sarah said Emily looked like she was about to cry. Luckily, someone stepped in. Clara. She just said, hey James, this is your job, not hers. Super calm, but super firm. I know, and then Emily left for lunch, and Clara went with her to make sure she was okay. No one knows yet, but apparently Mark is escalating it to HR. Not sure yet, but it's not his first mistake. Remember last month? Yes, and he blamed it on IT, saying he got locked out of his system. Exactly, he has a bit of a reputation now. He did. Super organized, always polite, but something changed recently. Could be, but still, lying isn't the way to deal with it. Do you know what else? Clara said she saw him at the pub on Tuesday night. Yeah, she said he was drinking with his friends. 100%. And he made zero effort to cover his tracks. I know, and now the whole office is talking about it. True, but you know how these things go. Once someone's caught lying, the trust just disappears. Good question. Some people said he went home early today. Depends. If Mark pushes it hard, they might ask him to leave quietly. Exactly, no public drama, just a quiet exit. Honestly, the tension in the office is exhausting. Speak for yourself, we still have Steve. There's a difference between gossip and actual damage. Oh, what? No way, why? That's amazing, she really deserves it. Feels like karma. I just hope she's okay, that must have been so stressful. Yes, great idea, she'd love that. Yes, can you imagine the atmosphere? Awkward silences, Mark pretending everything is normal. Honestly, I just want it all to calm down. I need a peaceful Friday. Yeah, on Friday we deserve some treats. Yes, let's go. I'm dying for a coffee. Well done, you have finished the dialogue. I really hope you found this video useful for practicing speaking. If there's any conversation topics you would like to practice, just let me know in the comments below and I will make a video for you. If you want to take a look at the full dialogue to do some extra practice, I've put it in the description box below. If you like this style of video, please make sure to subscribe. Every video on my channel is to help you speak English. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.